now that we've taken some photos for our word, let's go ahead and see how we can use the Keynote app on your iPad to create some photo word images. So go ahead and tap on the Keynote app. Tap on the plus to create a new presentation. Go ahead and tap on choose a theme. Let's just go ahead and choose this white theme so that it's really easy to see our word. So tap on that. And we'll wait for that slide to load in. And then let's go ahead and tap on the new slide button down here on the bottom. And we want to add this title center slide. So tap on that. Then go ahead and double tap in here in the box and type your word. Now I'm going to put my word in all caps, so I'm going to double tap on this arrow key, on the shift key, so that everything will be capitalized. My word is rocks, so I'll type that in. And now I'm going to double tap on my word so that it's selected. If your word doesn't get all the way selected, you can grab these little handles and drag these little handles out to select your word, or just double tap on your word again to get it all selected. I'm going to make my word bold, so I'll tap on this bold key on my keyboard. I'll go up to the formatting paintbrush up here in the toolbar at the top, and I'm going to do some formatting. I want to go here to the text button, and I'm going to, on this text tab, I'm going to slide down here a little bit so that I can see the size of the text. I want to make this a lot bigger. So instead of using just a plus button to go up one at a time, I'm just going to tap here on the number, and then I'm going to make this huge. So I'm going to try 600, and I'll tap done. I'll tap on the slide to move that formatting palette out of the way, and I will tap back on my word so that it is selected again and has these handles all around it. I'm going to grab one of these corner handles, and I'm just going to drag this out bigger so that it almost fills the slide. Alright, that's pretty good right there. I can make it a little smaller, I guess. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change this word from just being a regular typed word with plain colored ink fill in those letters. So again, while this is selected, we're going to go back up to the formatting tool in the toolbar, so back to your paintbrush, and right here on the text tab, we're going to go to text color. I bet you've seen this many times and maybe not thought about the fact that you could change this to an image. So go ahead and tap on this little arrow to the side, and now tap on image right up here, and then tap on change image. Tap choose photo. That's going to open up your Photos app so that you can see all of the photos on your iPad. And I know that I already have some photos of rocks in an album. So if you see your photo, go ahead and just tap on your photo to select it. I'm going to go to albums here because I know I have a photo in an album. So here's my rocks album. I'm just going to tap there. Again, you could just tap on a photo in your Photos app. You probably just took your photo not that long ago. I think I'm going to use this first photo, so I'll tap on that one. And you can see that that instantly filled in the image here, and you can also see that it changed my word. So if I'll tap off and close that, now you can see that my word has this really cool fill where I can actually see rocks inside of my word rock if I zoom in there. Pretty awesome, huh? Alright, while that is selected, I'm going to put my thumb and my finger on the screen. You can choose not to do this, but I'm just going to twist my thumb and finger around slightly to get a little bit of an angle here. All right, then I'll let go. While my word is still selected, I'm going to go back here to the paintbrush one more time. And I want to do a little bit more formatting. Now I'm going to go to the Style tab, tap on that, and here I want to turn on shadow. So I'll tap that little toggle, and you can experiment with this. I'm going to go with the second shadow here. So I'll tap on that so that it has a little blue arrow, and now I'll tap off it. You can see that it looks like now I've got a little bit of a shadow around my letter, so it's kind of lifting it off the page a little bit. I like that. It looks really cool. You can leave your background as white at this point if you want. I'm going to change my background on this slide just a little bit more. So I'm going to tap on the slide so that nothing is selected. I don't see any boxes or handles. Just want to tap on the slide itself. And you may have to pinch to zoom back in if you don't see your toolbar across the top. I lost mine there for a second, so I'm zooming back in, and now I'm going to tap on the paintbrush one more time. And here I'm going to change the background from white, so I'll tap on that. And I'm going to make mine a gradient. You can try out different colors to see how it looks with my rocks. I'm going to go with this light blue to a little bit darker blue gradient. Again, you can do some exploring to see what looks good with your word, your photo word image that you've now created, whether that's just a plain white background, a plain color, if you want to try a gradient. All right, so do a little exploration. Once we're done with our photo word image, we're going to export this out as a photo. So I'm going to go back over here to the side, and I'm going to tap on this first slide, and I'm going to tap one more time on it so that I get this little pop-up menu, and I'm going to tap on delete to get rid of it. Now I just have one slide. I will go over here to the three dots, to the options button, tap on that. I'm going to tap on export, and I'm going to export this Keynote slide as an image. I want to select PNG here, or you can select a high quality JPEG. Either one of those will work great. All right, then go ahead and tap on export. Once that's done, it's going to pop up this little share menu. Go ahead and tap on save image. That's going to save your image over to your Photos app. So if we tap on our home button and we go to our Photos app, and you may need to go to recents on the side, but now you're going to see your photo there. So there it is, awesome, all ready to be uploaded to our Schoology Media album. I can't wait to see what you create.